Hi guys, welcome to Jules Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Dutch shrimp amuse. It's going to be a Dutch shrimp salad with some salsify, a coffee tuille and a little note of orange. If you haven't done already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for amazing cooking content and hit that notification button if you don't want to miss any video. So, let's begin. We're going to begin with the coffee tuille. First, transfer 90 grams of butter into a saucepan and melt this on a low heat. Once melted, add 120 grams of isomalt sugar, 5 grams of grounded coffee beans and 4 grams of salt. Now while stirring, heat this on a medium heat till all the sugar is melted. Then pour it on a silicone sheet and let it cool down completely. After that, break it into smaller pieces. Now transfer it into a blender together with 40 grams of flour and 60 grams of egg white. Mix this till it's a smooth mixture. After that, spread it on a silicone mold. The mold I use is from Mold Brothers. I've put a link to their website in the description of this video. Then bake it at 160 degrees Celsius for around 15 minutes till golden. Remove the tuille when it's still hot and then keep it dry and covered for later. Then the salsify. Begin by peeling 3 thin salsifys. Now trim the edges and chop them into smaller pieces. Transfer them into a saucepan and also add half a liter of milk, 10 grams of coffee beans and 5 grams of salt. Now bring this to a boil and then let it simmer for 20 minutes. Then let it cool down in your fridge. Once it has completely cooled down, take them out of the liquid and chop them into smaller pieces. Then for the Dutch shrimp. First clean 300 grams of Dutch shrimps. Now heat a saucepan on a high heat, add a splash of oil and fry the trimmings till they start to color. Once that's done, add 300 grams of neutral oil and let this simmer for 1 hour. Then pour it on a sieve that's laid with a kitchen paper and let this cool down completely in your fridge. After that, pour 40 grams of beaten egg into a blender together with 4 grams of salt, 50 grams of orange juice, 15 grams of sushi vinegar and 150 grams of the cold shrimp oil that we just made. Now blender this till it's a smooth cream and then transfer it into a piping bag. Then take your cleaned shrimps and season them with the shrimp cream, some orange zest, salt and pepper. Mix this and then we can start to plate. First, place a small layer of the salsify on the bottom of a bowl. Then cover this with the shrimp salad. Now gently place the coffee tuille on top. Then pipe a couple of dots of the cream on there and finish it off with some winter purslane. Enjoy! Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. So please let me know in the comments on what you want to see next. Like and share the video and subscribe if you want to support my channel and see more amazing cooking videos. And as always, bon appetit!